Well, what's up everybody and welcome back to the channel. And in this video, we are going to be tackling something that you may or may not have to deal with yourself. All right, so if you run an aftermarket drive shaft like I do, you may have something called a double Cardan joint. And what that is basically two U-joints and then kind of a centering ball in the middle. And what your buddy Dave here failed to do was keep it really greased. You need to keep these things greased pretty well, at least every 3,000 to 5,000 miles. And I did not do that. And so what happened was I was under the Jeep, kind of looking at some stuff. Actually, I was going to grease it, and I don't know, 20,000 miles later, and I noticed that it was damaged. The centering ball has a little bit of a cap or a cone that kind of goes around it like a little seal, and that had been completely destroyed. And so I ordered a new centering ball, and in this video we are going to be rebuilding that double Cardan joint and replacing that centering ball, that little thing that goes in there, and we threw a new U-joint in there as well. So my good buddy Matt's going to help me do it, so check it out. We are going to fix a problem on the Bluebee today, because Bluebee's only two-wheel drive at the moment. We got a busted double Cardan joint in my front drive shaft, and today we're going to fix it. Here at Casa de Hartley. Say hello, Hartley. You guys know Matt. You've seen him wheel many times on my channel. We've got the Hartley Gladiator here. And this is the offending unit right here. So we're going to rebuild that side. And we've got some parts. We've got a new centering ball. I'll link the part number in the description below. And then just in case we can't reuse the U-joints, I got two new ones. But yeah, that's where we're at today. So let's get started. Of course, you know, when you come to the Hartley garage, everything gets laid out like a surgeon. Because we are having a little bit of surgery today. I'm gonna break into this one. Kind of feel like a dentist, right?
Oh yeah.
Gonna break into the mouth and pop some of these molars off.
Penetrated it.
All right.
So everything should be.
So retainer clips are out.
Right. We put a little penetrating oil, pre-soaked. You know, some people like to do it for days. Some people do it for weeks. But yours is pretty clean. Hopefully it won't be an issue, a fight for us to drive these out. So we got our supports. Shouldn't go anywhere. There's the two of us who can help kind of hold it, and we'll.
Yep. Just 17 mil.
Nice and smooth.
Knock it through.
And yeah, we'll see where we're at.
All right, cool.
There we go. Doesn't take very little effort. Okay, relax. That's it. Now we have room. We have room to travel, but we'll go ahead and take out both sides.
Okay.
Go ahead and 180 it. This will probably.
Wow.
Yeah, piece of cake.
Right off.
Okay. Now go ahead and spin it. We'll knock these guys out. So.
Oh yeah. That cap's almost out all the way. There you go. That's kind of nice that all the bearings oh yeah, you had one fall out.
Yeah. So yeah, if you're gonna attempt to
Reuse them.
I wouldn't.
Yeah.
I mean, I just change them, but
maybe keep it as a trail spare.
But you know, yeah, make sure that those guys are okay. And
yeah.
that guy just fell apart. Okay, so you have that, and of course the spring. You don't want to lose that. Like if you physically think about how this guy works, right? It just rides right on this, right? And yeah. your spring load keeps it, you know, keeps the load against your U-joint.
Right.
And for this to get smashed like that, tells me that this driveline was being driven into itself so hard.
Wow.
You know, being articulated or whatever, and you got your joints are at such an extreme that it's crushed that.
Wow.
So yeah, this guy just sits on here like that.
Used to.
That's what it's supposed to look like. You know?
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, other than this doesn't look
right.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
I don't see anything there, but let's get this apart the rest of the way, and we can take a better look at that. Make sure that.
All right, taking a look. There's the old one. There's the damage we can see to the old seal. And then we've got our new piece here, ready to go.
A little bit of wear, but it's not, I don't see like damage. I don't see scars, right? Because if that's gonna ride on that.
Yeah.
Okay, you got spring loaded.
Yeah.
Okay. You're gonna kind of overcome this spring.
Okay.
There you go. Okay, like that. There you go. There you go. Okay. All right. You got one. Okay, now that's in. That's definitely in on this side.
All right. Well, there's the finished product. There's our old toasty one. I guess that one's going in the garbage.
I don't think it's supposed to look like that.
No. U-joint's in good shape, so we'll save that as a trail spare. And then I got the extra one because I thought we were going to have to replace both of these today just to get this thing out. I didn't realize that you could get the centering ball out with just the first U-joint. So, cool. Thanks, Harley.
Welcome.
I love it. That was less than an hour. Okay. Jeep repairs never are that. Uh-oh. That's not good.
Oh, shit.
No! Oops. You don't want to find those things laying around.
No, that's not cool. Please be the old one. It's not that one.
Uh-oh. There it is. Is it? I think it is.
I think it is. It's got a gap.
We're hoping and praying that this fits in there.
No, it's gonna fit there. Keep the dirt out of there.
There you go.
Yeah, it was that one.
Oh, thank God. It was that one. It was the used one.
That was close.
I did that on purpose just to mess with you.
No, you didn't. Did you really?
That sounded good. I don't think I can edit it on YouTube. I can do that all by myself.
Everybody, you know, with friends like this, who needs enemies?
Right? Oh, hey, thanks.
Oh,
Thank God.
there you go.
Stupid.
Alrighty, guys, let's get under and take a peek. And there we go. We have a drive shaft again. It's up in there, looking good, full of grease, and hopefully we do not have to rebuild this thing for a long, long, long time. Alrighty, guys, well, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the content and you found it useful, don't forget to like and subscribe, share the video with your friends, and I will see you guys in the next upload.